In this video, I'm going to explain the College Catalog quiz. Click on the C-State Resources and Services folder. Make sure that you have read the topic, objectives, and overview information. So, your college catalog is all of the policies and procedures, your rights and responsibilities, financial policies and procedures, the student code of conduct, the student clubs and activities, so on and so forth. So that is an important document that is electronic only. It is right here. The college catalog is indexed for you. So that's the college catalog. So you're going to use the college catalog to complete the college catalog quiz. Now, what you don't need to do is study the entire college catalog before you take the quiz. That's not the point. The point of this is to open the college catalog quiz and take it while you have the college catalog website open. So this is an open book. There are 15 questions for a total of 75 points. You can take as much time as you need to complete the quiz. However, once you open it, you have to start. You got to do it in one sitting. Don't come back later. I got to warn you, this is going to take you a minute. And you're going to want to say, this information isn't in the college catalog. But I promise you that it is in the college catalog. You just have to look for it. So only do this assignment when you have about, I would say, an hour and a half to spend. That might be more than you need, but budget 1.5 hours of time. If you're a really slow reader, budget 2 hours worth of time. So you're going to click here, and then you'll come back over here. You'll start the quiz. You'll hit begin. Again, there's 15 questions. As you get the questions, you'll go back over here and you'll find the answer by looking through here. And then when you're done, hit submit and it'll go right to the gradebook. So again, the major lesson for this assignment is please budget your time to do this assignment. Otherwise, you will run out of, you don't want to stop once you start the quiz. Okay, that's it.